Dito tayo sa maliit na paupahan. Magpapalit ng water meter ang City of Hamilton. So papasok tayo. Ay, sarado sa kabila. Hello. Morning. Are you alone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Almost done.
Yeah.
Which one is the new one? Oh, this one is the new one?
Yeah, this is the new one.
Okay. You do this in Hamilton?
Yeah.
You do like this in Hamilton?
Yeah.
That's good for you.
Yeah.
Your own company or workers only?
Contractor.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
So did you close upside there? The bulb?
Yeah. No, here the shut-off valve.
Okay. Yeah. At least easy, yeah?
Yeah.
How old do you think that one? That meter?
I don't have an idea. It's like the city know everything, the information for it.
The thing is, why they changed the meter? For what reason? No idea too?
But the reason it's due to change. But what's the reason? It's for the city, like they decide which meter or
To change.
yeah.
Because they send me a liter only.
Yeah.
So almost the same, right?
Yeah.
Tulog pa yata yung mga tinan ko rito. So marumi nga. Ito yung wifi. Ito yung first extinguisher. Ito yung gas alarm. Required ng city yan eh. Ito yung furnace. Water heater, laki. Ipalit na ako dati ng yan. Pinaka filter niya.
good guys, hard worker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any idea about that wire?
The wire?
You see the wire there?
Yeah.
That one is
This
for
wire?
Yeah, that one is for what?
It's we connect it here on the meter,
Uh-huh.
and the wire go outside to the reader, to the small reader, the black reader that they take the reading for the meter.
Okay.
And that, yeah, when I finish here, I will go to that black thing. I will replace it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah.
And they are not coming inside, just reading outside there.
Yeah, the reading outside. Yeah.
Palit ng water meter. So that's good.
Yeah, it's good from inside.
Okay. Can I see the reading?
You can open the cap any time and see the reading here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, double check the leak maybe, and then so that no need to come back, you know.
Yeah, check it.
Wala. Let's fit here.
If you see anything like that here in the meter, you can call our number
Okay, yeah.
and we will come to fix it for you. If there is
Uh-huh.
anything like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Bagong palit. Tingnan natin yung bagong palit.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that one, yeah. Okay. So you need to replace this one too?
Yeah, just this one. Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you.
No problem, sir.
Ito yung pinaka-backyard, malaki pa rin, oh. Malamig na, hindi pa na ipapasok ng bike, ah. Laki tong area na ito, siguro nasa 1,000 square meter ito. Hanggang dun sa harap. Laki. malaki yung lugar niya. Alright, kaya sa maliit na bahay, kapalit kami ng water meter sa mga kontraktor. Okay. Ginagawa niya yung pinaka water meter. Yun na lang daw nagre-reading. So that's the you change it? Oh, that's new one?
Yeah, this is the new one.
Uh-huh.
We will connect here the red wire
The wire? Uh-huh.
and the black wire here
Yeah.
and tied them. Then
Put back.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito yung bagong dito daw yung kinukunik yung ano, yung pang reading nila, di napapasok sa loob ng bahay, tapos makukuha na niya yung water meter reading. Galing ano, Pilipinas walang ganito Ba't talaga rito sa Canada high-tech? Done?
yeah, now I will check it. If he is working, I will leave. Yeah, done.
So do you have reading also, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. Take care.
Yep. Okay na to. Solve na. Balik na namin yung washing machine. Ito. Sabahan ko muna ito. Balik na namin itong washing machine. Sige lang. Alam mo na Alam mo na ang trick. Okay na, naibalik na yung machine. Palit ng water meter. Balik ko lang siguro ito. Kasi support din sa lamig yan. Sim ko muna ito. Okay, salamat sa panonood. God bless everyone.